Hey, welcome back guys. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how we can easily watch replays of your FIFA World Cup highlights or the entire match to be short. So in order to do that, what I'll do is first open up YouTube. And yes, once I'm in the YouTube, what I'm going to do is go into the search bar and type in Cassette TV. And you can see this one and scroll down till you find the channel Cassette TV. So I'm going to click on the channel, and now you can see this live running on the Cassette TV channel. So if I just click on it, you can see this video pop up. So this is not available in my country. So if it's available in your country, what you're going to do is to watch the highlights or the entire match replay of the entire match. What you're going to do is go on here, and then you have this timeline, right? So you're going to scroll it all the way to the back, and now you can see from the very beginning of the live stream. So it was done yesterday, so you can watch from there. So that's it for today's video guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.